month, women experience menstruating.
Hai! Kamu lah Haid ya?
Iya, aku Haid.
Kita juga. Iya.
Yes, just like them. But did you know, during menstruation, ideally, a woman needs to change their sanitary pads 4 times a day. Just from 4 menstruating women, we can already produce 16 sanitary pathways in just one single day, and 112 pads in an average of 7-day cycle. Now, imagine how many pads will be discarded by women all around the world.
Every year, around 49 billion of sanitary pads are disposed of in Europe, and more than 4 billion in Indonesia alone. And here's another shocking fact. One sanitary pads can take between 200 to 800 years to decompose. That means the waste we produce today may remain on Earth for centuries.
And our biggest question is, can we make a solution to solve this problem and other problem using the same solution at the same time? Well, yes we can. Even in our research, we use a problem to solve another problem. Let me show you how. Hi, we are the Triathlon team. I'm Reh Anawai. I am Helena Shwarni.
And I'm Fatra Kodibina.
We are 9th grade students from Kesatuan Bangsa School, Indonesia.
Let us introduce you to HyCane, fluff bulb designed to give the next generation of absorbent materials made from water hyacinth and sugarcane non-wood materials.
And yep, we make this to solve a problem using another problem. This is the water hyacinth. At first glance, it looks completely harmless, just a normal floating plant. But in reality, it is one of the most aggressive invaders in the world. It grows extremely fast and spreads rapidly across lakes and rivers. It also blocks sunlight into reaching other aquatic plants, reduces oxygen level in the water, and disrupts the entire aquatic ecosystem.
In many regions, it also blocks waterways, interferes with fishing activities, and becomes a serious environmental problem. This plant has become a challenge for many people, but maybe it can also become a part of the solution.
Besides water hyacinth, we also use Bagasse, which is the fibrous residue left after sugarcane is processed.
Bagasse is often treated as agricultural waste and is commonly discarded or underutilized.
Just like water hyacinth, this material is often seen as a useless waste, but we believe through research and innovation, they can be transformed into something valuable. In our previous research, we have discovered that water hyacinth fibers have potential as absorbent materials.
Our experiment shows that this fiber demonstrates comparable absorption performance when it's compared to another natural fibers such as banana husk and several plant-based materials.
So in this research, we continue exploring this potential. Our focus is to determine the most effective processing method to produce fluff pulp from these fibers. Our process began with preparing the raw materials and measuring their moisture content and grammage. The fibers were then cooked using sodium hydroxide under several different processing conditions. To identify the optimal method, we tested multiple variations of temperature and chemical concentration.
After the cooking stage, the pulp was filtered and bleached. The resulting pulp was then mixed into 2 compositions, 50-50 and 70-30 between Bagasse and water hyacinth. The mixtures were then defibrated and divided into 2 forms.
One part was formed into sheets using a sheet former for absorption and retention testing, while the other part was processed into fluff pulp as our prototype material. It works by absorbing water. The fibers in water hyacinth and Bagasse contain cellulose, which naturally attracts and holds water. The best Bagasse pulp result was obtained at 170 degrees Celsius for 2 hours with 18% of sodium hydroxide. For water hyacinth, the best result was at 150 degrees Celsius for 2 hours with 15% of sodium hydroxide.
The 50-50 fiber mixture absorbed more water than the 70-30 mixture. These results show that the type of fiber and the mixing ratio greatly affect absorption performance. While for the retention test, the 50-50 mixture also gives better results than the 70-30 mixture.
Our results are still modest, but they give us a clear direction. This research proves that fiber choice and ratio matter, and with further refinement, water hyacinth and Bagasse can become a sustainable alternative.
Even small steps from today can turn into big solutions for tomorrow.
HyCane, turning rivers into renewal.